guys, so today I'm going to show you what's in my Nature Box. I got the Nature Box Deluxe package, which is 5 products for $19.95. First item up is praline pumpkin seeds. Okay, first thing I notice, it smells like cinnamon. I like those. They're like crispy little sunflower seeds. Honey Crunch Crisp. These kind of look like those little, almost like, what are those things called? Cinnamon Toast Crunch? These are honey-coated sesame crisps. Next we have whole wheat chocolate chip cookie bites. Yum. And we have cranberry pita crisps. These are really good. Last but not least, I'm just gonna take a bite of these because I don't really care for pineapple. I got these for roller. Big Island pineapple rings. Gonna try a little piece. These are actually really good. Alright guys, that is what's in my Nature Box. We got the Big Island pineapples, the praline pumpkin seeds, honey crunch crisp, whole wheat chocolate chip cookie bites, and the cranberry pita crisps. That's what's in my Nature Box. I hope y'all enjoyed. Come back again because I'll actually have another one this week for you. I got a box of nothing but mini waffles. I'll just throw it into this video since I got them, you know, since they're pretty much the same. But I got 5 packs of mini waffles on my next Nature Box, so, because I ordered 2 of them this month. So you guys, I hope you like my Nature Box. If you do, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't, hit that subscribe. And come back and see us because we're here all the time and I'm doing more reviews. Because you're chilling with candy. Bye guys. Yay! I got my Nature Box in today. 5 bags, well, 1 fell. 5 bags of mini waffles.